strict engineering management. All products made by CNC lathes are completely checked and confirmed by the Quality Control Department before plating process begins. These parts are then delivered to the assembly department for final assembly through our part distribution network. The Quality Control Department once again carries out the strictest inspections to ensure the best possible quality standards before packaging and delivery. Precision inspection of product quality. Huangliang holds firm on strict engineering and enhanced technology levels. ISO 9001 has been successfully achieved, and our world-famous customers praise Huangliang as a trustworthy manufacturer and supplier.